Hey everybody, today we're gonna shut off the maintenance light on the Lexus IS 300, and it's gonna be this little maintenance required light right there and how to get rid of it. So first thing you do is you need to make sure that you're on your odometer. So I'm on the trip meter right now, you can see. So I'm gonna push the button and then trip 2, now to my odometer. Turn the car back off. Now that that's checked, hold the trip meter button in and turn the engine on. It should be count down. There we go. 2, 1, back zeros, back, and turn the car off. Turn the car back on. And the light is gone. Done. Get out there, stay safe, and have fun, y'all.